Hello everyone. Sorry, I don't look the best. I'm having a lazy day in bed. It's Sunday today. I had my egg collection on Friday in the morning. Actually, it wasn't too bad at all. They managed to get 12 eggs from me, or 12 follicles. Um, I was only dozy for about 30-40 minutes afterwards. And then they let me home quite quickly. They said it was all routine, all went well. I was actually very nervous before I had it done, but for me, my experience, it wasn't bad at all. Very friendly staff, quite a simple procedure. From being admitted to leaving, it's probably less than 3 hours. So I just took it easy the rest of that day. But like I say, because I got 12 eggs and they said they actually look quite good, I donated anonymously 6, so I was left with 6 myself. My husband's sperm sample was alright, and they were put together obviously. And then that was that. I come home, just rested for the rest of Friday. The embryologist rang me yesterday morning because that's routine. They said they would anyway to let me know if any had fertilised. It actually wasn't really the news I was hoping for. I spoke to the embryologist and he said out of my 6, only 1 had fertilised. He said the other 5, I think he said 1 didn't fertilise at all, and the others had errors with the chromosomes. He said it was hard to say if it was the egg or the sperm, but they wasn't that great. I felt really deflated and quite disappointed, but I know it's part of the journey and you get ups and downs. I know it happens to a lot of people all the time. So that was yesterday. Like I say, I had 1 that had fertilised. He told me to start taking from last night my Cyclogest suppositories up my bottom once at night and once in the morning, starting from last night. I've been doing that, and again I've had no spotting because they said I might have spotting. All that was quite straightforward. The embryologist did ring me again this morning and he did say that the embryo that I had that did fertilise is still alive, and he said that it's looking good, but I still feel half-hearted. I know I feel selfish for saying that because I know some people do have it done and they either don't get to the stage that I've got or they do get to that stage and that nothing fertilises. So in that respect I shouldn't be selfish because I have got 1 that has fertilised, and he said this morning that it looks really good. He said that it looks all as it should do and it's quite positive. So I suppose that is good. It could have been worse. It could have died overnight because he said that is a possibility, or well, not died but stopped growing. So yeah, so that's it really. I'm carrying on with the Cyclogest suppositories. The embryologist actually wants me to go back tomorrow, Monday, at about 2:30 to have it put back, which is what I'm going to do. So I've just got to keep my fingers crossed really. I still feel a bit, well, I am nervous, but I'm just taking it each step at a time. They've all been really good and really supportive. I hope the lady I donated the eggs to, she gets some luck. But yes, so like I say, the embryo's still alive this morning. It was divided how it should be, and he said it looked good. So I should be having it put back tomorrow, and then once it gets put back, I've just got to wait to do the test and just keep everything crossed. But we'll have to wait and see. But other than that, symptom-wise, I feel fine, no pain, everything rather straightforward, and that's it really. Any questions or any messages anyone wants to send me, feel free. And I'm just going to carry on relaxing now, and I will talk to you soon. I'll let you know tomorrow how the egg transfer went, if we get that far, because it still could stop growing in the morning, but we'll just have to wait and see. But I'll try and be positive and I'll let you all know what happens. Could I just ask though, actually, if anyone watches this, do you actually know of anyone that's had first time IVF and has been successful with just like the 1 embryo? Because I spoke to my mum about it because she knows I was a bit disappointed. But I suppose it's true because, like she said, like when people conceive naturally, it only takes one egg and one sperm, which I suppose is true. But I think when you're just doing the IVF journey, you always feel that little bit more negative. But if anyone has got any words of encouragement or knows anyone that had a positive outcome or even a negative outcome, so it is good to know from both ends, let me know. But other than that, I'll do a posting tomorrow and let you know how things went. Take care, everyone. Bye.